Happy birthday, Daddy.
Daddy.
Love you.
Love you.
Kiss.
Happy birthday, Kuya Deo. Thank you.
Don't touch it. I said we're gonna make video. We're gonna give it to Deo. Ano yung sing mo lang?
Dito na siya, oh. Parang nandiyan
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Deo.
Happy birthday to you. Blow.
Tito Deo?
Blow and Deo.
Nag-greet na happy birthday, Deo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Go.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday to you.
God bless.
God bless.
Take care.
Take care.
How old are you now?
Magka-turn free.
Advance happy birthday, Sir Deo. Apa naman eh?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Pati naman.
Boss, advance happy birthday, Boss Deo.
Birthday niya mo.
Happy birthday, Sir Deo. Wish ko ay sana madagdagan pa, humaba pa, marami pang birthday ang dumating, no? Siyempre, pakain ka naman dyan, no? Pakanton ka naman dyan. Pero siyempre, hindi ako makakarating ngayong birthday mo, kaya happy birthday na lang sa'yo dahil nandito ako sa ibang-iba yo. Kaya enjoy ka sa iyong araw. Mag-enjoy ka, magsaya. And alam mo na, bawasan, no? Ang iyong kapugian, alam na, no? So, happy birthday sa'yo, Don Pakundo. Mahalin ang pamilya. Importante yan. Happy birthday sa'yo and good luck and syempre, lagi kaming nasa sa'yo. Sige. Happy birthday again, Don Pakundo.
Janet Homa and nothing beats the Jet to holiday. And right now, birthday ni Kuya Deo. Pinapati kita. Let's go!
Happy birthday, Kuya Deo. Ingat lagi. Enjoy your day.
Happiest birthday, Deo. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Deo. More birthday to come. Ingat ka palagi sa trabaho mo.
Blessed birthday, Kuya Day. Enjoy your day. God bless. Bye.
Anong pecha na ba? October 12 na. Yo! Fiesta na ng Imus. And birthday na pinaka-importante. Ang aming Kuya Deo yung Bagsik, aka Don Pakundo. Happy birthday, bro. Dalangin ko sa iyong karawan na biyayaan ka ng Panginoon na mas marami pang taon sa iyong buhay and malakas na pangangatawan. At ang pinaka-importante, manatili kang mabuting tao, bro. Love you, bro, with the love of the Lord. God bless at ingat ka palagi, bro. Love you. Whip, whew!
Happy birthday, Daddy. Mag-iingat ka palagi sa mga lakad mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wishing you good health. Mag-ingat sa trabaho, lalo na pagpapasok ka. Pakabait ka na. Pakaiwas na sa inom. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.